This video explains the functions of the BC 14.16, BC 14.16 STS, and BC 14.16 STS CAD. The computer has a clearly structured display and is operated using 3 buttons. The large menu button is above the display, the ALTI button at the bottom left, and the bike button at the bottom right. In standby mode, the bike computer displays the name BC 14.16 or BC 14.16 STS and the current time. When you set off on your bike, the computer is automatically activated. On the 3-line display, you can always see the current speed in large digits at the top. The individual functions are shown with the associated values in the lower part of the display. Use the Bike button to scroll forward through the display of the bike computer and the Menu button to go backward. From the left to right, you can see the traveled distance, the ride time, your average speed, the maximum speed reached, the time, the current ambient temperature, the partial time, and the partial distance. Optionally, the BC 14.16 STS can be extended by a cadence transmitter. The cadence and the average cadence will be indicated in the next 2 displays. You can use the ALTI button to scroll forward through the different altitude functions of the computer and backwards with the Menu button. One by one, you will see the graphical altitude profile, the current elevation, the percentage of the current ascending or descending slope, the altitude difference uphill, and the maximum altitude. The arrowhead pointing up or down in the upper left corner of the display always shows you whether you are currently traveling above or below your average speed. If the bike and the Menu buttons are pressed simultaneously, the letters TS appear on the left side of the display, and the computer starts a separate partial distance measurement. To end the partial measurement, press the bike and the Menu buttons again. If you press and hold the bike and menu, you will be taken to the bike selection in BC 14.16. Here, you can set whether you want to record the trip data for bike 1 or bike 2. The number 1 or 2 appears in the display accordingly. On the BC 14.16 STS, the bike selection is carried out automatically by the signal from the STS transmitter. If you see the message "Too many signals," press and hold the buttons Bike and Menu simultaneously to reset the STS connection to the speed and cadence transmitters. Press the ALTI button and the Menu button simultaneously to activate the backlight. The light bulb icon appears on the display. Each time you press the button, you will first activate the light, then the second one to perform the desired action. For more information and videos about our products, please visit www.sigmasport.com and our YouTube channel.